Epicflows production.
Epicflows!
Yeah! Welcome to another exciting episode of Skill Challenge Quiz. I'm your host, Asking Question Quizzy. And this afternoon, we have St. JKC versus High School College. Now let's go into that speed section and see who's gonna come out on top. We'll start with the captain of St. JKC. Let's begin. What is Newton's second law? Correct. Now complete the following Jamaican proverb. Don't scandal me.
Because you're number one.
Judges will allow it. Now to you, High School College. Where did reggae... Hold on. This I said one top message. Originate. Barbados.
It's Epicflows, yeah.
Epicflows production.
Radekal and Epicflows.
Ramon.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah.